welcome to the wonderful world of Waikato Sheds, my friends. We're continuing to build the largest possible building permit free shed in New Zealand, 110 square metres internally. So when we last checked in, we'd got all of the frames up. Pete and Reese had done a great job. Now we've had all our cladding dropped off. We've got armour steel cladding on site. We've been really impressed with it. We've gone for ebony corrugate on the walls. It's been looking really sharp. Then we've done something different. We've gone for a zinc-alume roof. Two reasons for that. We wanted to try it out. You can't see it, so it is cheaper, and then it also reflects the sun. Then if we come inside, normally we would have mesh and paper on the roof, but we've actually got drip tex in here. So this is a new product, so that actually absorbs the moisture and then it wicks away. So cool new product. We're always keen to try new things. Up under the eaves here, we've lined this. Looks like cedar cladding, actually just plywood. The guys have stained it, Pete and Reese, so it's looking really sharp in there. We've used thermocraft wrap on all of the walls, so that's looking really great. As I may have mentioned before, we're going to have 2.7 high ply going all the way around there. Then we've also got new armour steel door coming in here with a digital lock. So over the next couple of weeks, we're going to see our sectional doors turn up. We've got the joineries going to be turning up. So we'll finish and enclose the whole shell, and then we'll be looking to line it all on the inside. So yeah, keep tuned in. Any questions that you want to know about this one, just let us know, because this is the biggest possible pole shed you can build without a consent in rural New Zealand. So it's pretty epic what you can do. So yeah, that's it. As you know, we love it. Great sheds done right.